Welcome back, Bitcoin World Crypto. Today's project name is Digital. Digital Decentralized Teller. You can join this project. Its pre-sale is ongoing and will close after 3 days and 12 hours. When you click on product, you can know more about its object. Digital cryptocurrency for everyone. The currency that is designed to serve as a payment token for all transactions in the ecosystem. Its goal is that everyone in the world has access to an affordable global currency. In 2021, a group of IT veterans came up with the digital project DTM, including seasoned entrepreneurs. Digital's primary object is to develop a universal ecosystem that can be used for a wide range of applications not currently covered by traditional instrument of the financial system. Digital is an open source cryptocurrency project that anyone can participate in this project. And these are the key features of digital. First is they will launch their crypto exchange platform accessible through regulated wallet that provide transparency and fund projects. And the second is digital cryptocurrency transaction payments and receipt. Third is digital wallet allows the flow of crypto and fiat coins, and the fourth is digital enable easy crypto fiat transactions which are seamless and quick. Fifth, payment security is guaranteed by checking procedure superior to the one used by banks and guaranteed access to the stored funds through digital exchange, open banking and digital wallet. And this is the presentation video of digital. You can watch this video. This is the detail of simple and safe storage of your fund. Digital is connected to the crypto exchange in real time, allows you to pay with the cryptocurrency or transaction including bills and shopping while you enjoying a solid security. And this is the detail of tokenomics. Token ticker DTM, token platform Binance Smart Chain, and this is their contract address, total supply of DTM, available DTM. Pre-sale stage 1 is finished and pre-sale second is live. This is the token allocation chart. Purchase now until it's too late. And this is the roadmap detail of digital. They launched their project 2021 this year where it is started. And this is the team members, executive team member, a group of talented businessmen, IT professional and blockchain expert. Advisors. And this is FAQ section. What is digital? When you click on what is digital, you can read here the answer of digital. Currency is for everyone. It can be used any transaction. You have the ease of use and the security of working. Simply choose what you want to do with your money. After launching the digital application, you will have fiat and crypto all time when only a click. Access, select and buy. Less transaction system, more accessible for every. Digital aim to deliver simple payment and easiness of entering in the crypto market. The platform has an authentic concept that offers exclusively to our users and connects them with a global community. How is digital different from other objects? The platform provides every user in the world with several convenient gateways for the payment process, along with liquid funds, a participation system, and a smart blockchain. Digital is an alternative to the financial system. It allows you to have cryptographic product adapted to current technology. At the end of spring 2022, digital will deliver the application that will allow you to pay with crypto anywhere. And this is press releases detail, and these are their social links. You can also follow them. This is all about this project. I hope you will like video. Bounty is also live. You can participate and can join. I will give you the link in video description. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.